Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video, it's because you're interested in a valuable opportunity provided by Microsoft, right? Microsoft is offering a certification course on generative AI and artificial intelligence that can enhance your skills and boost your career. By completing this course, you will receive a certificate that you can proudly display on the LinkedIn or include in your resume, giving you a competitive edge in job applications. In the description below, you will find a link that will take you directly to the course page where you can access all the details and resources you need to get started. This is Career Essential in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. You can also see here the videos provided, and once you complete by watching all these videos, you will have an exam at the end. Once you qualify in the exam, you will be rewarded with a certificate that recognizes your achievement. I highly recommend taking advantage of this opportunity as it can greatly benefit your professional growth and open up new doors. So click the link, enroll in the course and start learning today. Please share this video with all your friends because it can be very useful to them too. If you want more internship opportunities and certification programs like this, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon next to it. Thank you.